There are counties that do not have the personnel to be able to...
Can you be specific? Tell me the story of your county.
Yes.
Are you able to screen and tell people this is what you're suffering from? Or it has to be somewhere else? Well,
I have to be factual. Up to some extent, we do clearing and forwarding. In terms of, we do not have the capacity because our county does not have MRI. If we need something that needs to have a scan with MRI, we have to send to Nairobi. CT scan is possible. But again, it is not every radiographer and radiologist who is able to detect cancer. Okay. We need an oncologist radiologist.
So Nairobi is your nearest?
Nairobi is our nearest. Okay. And just to make it very clear, in the counties, when you look at the number of oncologists in the whole country, in the issue of HRH, the number of nurses who have done a radiography, you might find that in a county, you might find only one or maybe two. You may find there's no such doctor in such a county. And therefore, and it's not because counties don't want to employ. You advertise and you don't get anything.
Okay.
Last time I checked with yeah.
We'll get to more details about that.
Yes.
Christine?
Dr. Naftali Busahala,